As a contract manufacturer, there are a bunch of challenges that you're facing. Supply chain issues with the war in Ukraine, with COVID, post-COVID symptoms, with the supply chain between China, USA and Europe. You're gonna run out of raw materials. And I've seen this quite a few times with contract manufacturers that they order 10,000 liters of sunflower oil. And instead of 10,000 liters, they only get 5 or even 3,000 liters. Well, they still have to deliver and produce all the cosmetic products that their clients want. So they need to be a bit creative here. You need to be really adaptive and quick on your feet with changes like this. For contract manufacturers, another major pain is that developing cosmetic products is actually very hard. Why is it hard? It's chemistry. And chemistry is about creating products that are stable. Contract manufacturers want to make products for their customers, and they have wishes and requirements. Make it blue, make it yellow, make it smell like a rose. That all needs to be added into this chemical mix and still needs to be stable. Apart from a beautiful product that works as it does, it also must be safe. When these checks are not done at the same time, big pains can happen for a contract manufacturer. I have seen this happen over and over again, where a concept was approved by a client of a contract manufacturer. After 9 months, the product was presented to us, to safety assessors. We saw this product and it was not safe. It contained a prohibited ingredient. So in the end, the product had to go back to the drawing board, and wasting 9 months of product development, of going back and forth between the contract manufacturer and the client, presenting new samples. And that's why it's so important to have all of the checks, the chemical stable checks, the customer requirement checks, and also the safety assessment checks done right at the start, all at the same time, to just avoid having discussions and disappointment.